Hey everyone, this is Steven with Our Hometown, and today we have a tutorial for you. The topic for today is going to be tagging a PDF e-edition so that it'll link with an article. So let's jump into it. First we're going to do is go over to the e-edition. This is ours, though your website may look a little different, but our website just has it in a tab up top. Click on e-edition. And after it's loaded, we're going to come over here to let's use the Florida Weekly one from the November 9th, 2019 edition. Go ahead and click on that. Whichever one you have. You can go ahead and click on whichever one you want to do this for, but we'll scroll down to this page, and here's a good one, How a Childhood Find Sparked an Adult Passion. We're going to come up here to the top, and once you're logged in, you'll have these options. You can click on Edit Mode. So I'm going to click right at the top, and that's going to turn into a selection tool. I'm going to click and select. I'm going to click and select. And I'm not exactly perfect, but it's getting there. Click and select, and then we can just click and select all of that as well. And I'm also going to select the title because it makes sense to select the title as well. So click to deselect. Now over here in this middle section, I'm going to come up here to the bar, and we're just going to look at the title, How a Childhood Find. And after typing in a few words, this will pop up. We're just going to click on that, assign article. And once we click out of edit mode, we come back over here, it'll reset. We'll just come over here and hover over, and we can click on that first paragraph, whichever part we selected, and here is the entire article on the website. And that's how you're going to do this e-tagging. We can tag the e-articles or the e-PDF editions, and this is an easy way to do it so that when your reader is looking at the PDF edition, they can just come right over here and read the article right from your website. If you have any other questions about this, you can go ahead and email us at ops@our-hometown.com. Again, that's ops, O-P-S, @our-hometown.com. Thanks a lot. See you guys next time.